Hello, my name's Professor Brett Davies. You are creating an entity. It's a company, and it will have to have a place where it's born, like a human. And you have to name a state it's born in. Now, this is a legacy issue. This is not of no interest to anyone, and you may have never been to South Australia, and you may still, and your business may not, and your business may operate in Brisbane, but you still need to name a state, and you could name South Australia as a state, even though your company has no involvement with it, and you've never even been there. So it's not that meaningful a question, but companies are a question of statute. They used to be controlled by states right up until 1990, when the Corporations Act was proclaimed and the states lost all their rights and privileges to looking after companies. A very sad day in my view. So you will need to note a company state where the company is born. Now, back in the bad old days, there used to be stamp duty or transfer duty on the transfer of shares based on which state you're from, but that's not the case anymore. The last states have got rid of that, so it doesn't make much difference which state or territory which your company is incorporated. So enjoy that. If it was me, I'd probably nominate my home state. So if I was living in Double Bay in Sydney, New South Wales, I would nominate New South Wales. I can't afford to live in Double Bay, but if I was there, I'd nominate New South Wales. And that helps if you are ever being sued, because it's better that you're sued in your home territory because you live there. So that's about the only advice I can give. Otherwise, people randomly pick states and territories without much thought, which is the way people commonly pick the jurisdiction. It doesn't matter too much. Now, if you need some legal advice or you want a hand with that question, or any question, telephone us and our lawyers will give you more legal advice.